we made it to Vicksburg just in time. Got an eastbound train coming. There are the boys staying warm, cozy, with their slurpees. A couple more rail fans right over there. Good to see. See if they give us a wave here. All right. Yep, it is coming on its way. I'll check the monitor after we're done here and see if we have another train coming. All right, we'll be right back. All right, signals have been activated. Here we go. Yep, I can see the headlights reflecting off there now. I believe they should be on main 1. Yep. Oh yeah, that's where the red light is. Duh. Ooh, we got a 3 lash-up. Into the sun is never fun, so I'll face east today. Nice ex-Citirail here. Definitely hear it on main 1. There's a crack. It has about a half-inch break in it. You can definitely hear it. Now I just noticed another one a little further down on one of the single tracks, another little half-inch. Definitely hear that one too. Watching everyone. Oh yeah, let's go check out what I was mentioning about the little cracks here. Here's one of them right over here. That one's been here a while. But then there's another new one, it sounds like, right down here. This one's newer. I don't remember hearing about this one. There's a little dent there, but yeah, right up here. Yep. Yeah, right there. That was a new one that they tried to piece it together or something. So, all right. Well, I think that might be it for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll talk to you soon. Have a good rest of your day.